Walmart Spark driver support tickets can be closed before your issue is actually fixed, which means the next step is knowing why it happened and how to reopen the conversation correctly. By the end, you'll know what a closed Spark driver support ticket means, how to respond when your problem is still unresolved, and what steps can help you get the right support. The first thing to understand is that a closed ticket does not always mean the issue was solved. It can mean the support team reviewed the request, marked it complete, or ended the conversation based on the information available. If your problem is still happening, the goal is to provide clear details instead of sending the same message repeatedly. Support teams need specific information to understand what happened and what action is needed. Start by checking your original ticket details. Review the response from Walmart Spark driver support and identify whether they provided a solution, requested more information, or closed the ticket without resolving the issue. The next step is creating a stronger follow-up. Include important details like your account issue, the date the problem happened, what steps you already tried, and what result you received. For example, instead of writing, "My account is not working," explain the exact problem, what screen or feature caused the issue, and what message appeared. Specific information makes it easier for support to investigate. Another option is using the available support channels inside the Spark driver app. Check the help section and submit the issue through the correct category, so it reaches the right team. If the ticket was closed because support needed more information, provide the missing details, and explain that the original issue is still unresolved. Keep the message focused on one problem instead of combining multiple unrelated issues. Avoid opening several duplicate tickets for the same issue because it can make tracking the problem more difficult. Keep your information organized and continue from the existing support conversation when possible. The best way to handle a closed Spark driver ticket is to review the reason it was closed, provide specific details, and use the correct support path for your issue. Your next step is to open your closed ticket, read the latest response, and send a clear follow-up with the exact information support needs. If this helped you understand how to fix a closed Walmart Spark driver support ticket, like the video and subscribe for more driver app guides and troubleshooting tips.